One wrong KCET choice can ruin your dream seat. Discover the best strategy and avoid the worst mistakes in just minutes. This guide could change your future. Watch till the end. Once the Karnataka Examinations Authority, KEA, has announced the first second-round seat allotment results for various professional courses, including engineering, medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and others. Candidates will have to make a critical decision by selecting one of 4 available choices, each with distinct implications for their academic future. This guide provides a clear, professional overview of these options to help candidates make an informed decision. Choice 1. Accept allotted seat and withdraw from further rounds. For candidates satisfied with their allotted seat and unwilling to participate in subsequent rounds. Action required. Confirm acceptance on the KEA portal. Pay the prescribed fees via the provided challan. Download the admission order and report to the allotted college by the specified deadline. Submit original documents as required. Varies by course and college type. Implications. The candidate's seat is confirmed, but they forfeit eligibility for any future allotment rounds. Failure to report to the college within the deadline results in automatic seat cancellation and fee forfeiture. Suitable for candidates content with their allotment and unwilling to risk losing their seat for uncertain future opportunities. Choice 2. Retain allotted seat while participating in next round. For candidates willing to retain their current seat but seeking potential upgrades and higher preference options. Action required. Medical, dental, Ayush candidates must pay the full fee for the allotted seat. Engineering/architecture/other UGCET candidates. No fee payment required unless opting for medical seats. Caution deposit applies. Reorder higher preference options, if desired, during the next round. Implications. If a higher preference seat is allotted in the next round, the current seat is automatically canceled. If no upgrade occurs, the candidate retains the original seat. No option to choose between the original and upgraded seat. The system assigns the best available. Suitable for candidates who are reasonably satisfied with their current seat but wish to explore better options without full surrender. Choice 3. Reject allotted seat and participate in next round. For candidates dissatisfied with their allotment and willing to forfeit their seat for a chance at better options. Action required. No fee payment for the current seat. Modify, reorder, or delete existing options, excluding the allotted seat for the next round. Medical aspirants must pay a caution deposit to participate in the next round. Implications. The current seat is surrendered, and the candidate competes for remaining seats in subsequent rounds. Risk of ending up with no seat if preferred options are unavailable. Suitable for candidates who strongly prefer other institutions' courses and are willing to take a calculated risk. Choice 4. Withdraw from KEA allotment process. For candidates who have secured admission elsewhere and no longer wish to participate. Action required. Formally opt out via the KEA portal. Implications. The allotted seat is canceled immediately. No further participation in any KEA allotment rounds. Suitable for candidates who have confirmed admission through other institutions or entrance exams. Key considerations. 1. Caution deposit. Mandatory for medical aspirants opting for choice 2 or 3, except dental AYUSH. 2. Document submission. Government private medical college allotments require original documents at KEA. 3. Deadlines. Strict adherence to payment and reporting timelines is critical. No extensions are granted. Strategic recommendations. Evaluate priorities. If the allotted seat aligns with career goals, choice 1 ensures stability. Risk assessment. Choices 2 and 3 involve trade-offs between security and opportunity. Alternative plans. Candidates with confirmed seats elsewhere should opt for choice 4 to avoid penalties. Conclusion. The choice selected will significantly impact a candidate's academic trajectory. Weighing the pros and cons of each option against personal aspirations and risk tolerance is essential. Candidates are advised to act decisively within the stipulated timelines to secure their desired outcomes. For further clarification, refer to the official KEA guidelines or contact their helpline. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.